I think there's 3. I don't know if that one broke it or not, since that's broke it, but you can be the judge. Oh gosh, sorry. Ooh, ooh, I barely made it in. Trigger got away from me. Don't think I hit a single one that time. I got close. I hit that one there. So 3. All right, I gotta do offhand. Did I show you the times on that one? 2-1, 4-2, 5-7, 9-9.
You got plenty of time.
Yeah. Oh, hold on. My left hand is not great.
Yeah, it'd be hard, dude. Is the goal to get all in the blue?
Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, possibly 4, possibly 5. I don't know about those 2. They're right on the edge. Oh gosh. The wind is not my friend today. So, oh, we got 4. There's one there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, possibly 5, possibly 6. I don't know. I think 4 for sure. I think this one is in. I think this one is out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you judge.